Hi all, today I am going to explain briefly about a Turing machine which accepts the language A power n, B power n, C power n. There are two main constraints for a Turing machine to accept this string. They are, number one is the number of A's, B's and C's should be equal, and the second one is A should be followed by B and then it should be followed by C. The basic logic behind designing a Turing machine is the first occurrence of A is converted to capital X and we should move towards the right until we find the first B. Then the B should be converted into capital Y and then we should again travel towards right until we see the first C. We should convert the C into capital Z and come back to the left until we find a capital X. And then make one right move and see whether any other small a is present or not. If it is present, convert that into capital X and move towards the right until you see a B behind a Y, and if it is present, change that into capital Y and move towards C. If the same is present after the Z, convert it to Z and come back again to the capital X. Repeat this mode until you have completed the string. That is, if you see a capital X followed by capital Y and a capital Y following a capital Z, then it's clear that the string is a valid one which is accepted by the Turing machine. The transition can be very effectively explained by the transition diagram. Consider the example AA, BB and CC. First of all, the transition starts from the state Q0. On seeing this symbol A, it gets converted into capital X and move towards the right, and then it reaches the state Q1, and there again A will be present and that will be skipped, and until it finds B, it will get skipped. On the first occurrence of B, the B will get converted into capital Y and it move towards R, and until first occurrence of C, all the symbols are skipped. And on reaching C, the C gets converted into capital Z, and from there we start moving left side. After we changed C into capital Z, we should again trace back to the capital X, and while tracing back, all the symbols including Z, Y, A, B, all the terms should be skipped. On reaching X, the same is maintained as X and we are moving it to right. Again the state Q0 will be reached and the process goes on until we find a capital X following a capital Y and a capital Y following capital Z. If this condition occurs, then the string is a valid one and which gets accepted by the Turing machine. And finally, when it encounters a blank space, the string gets accepted and reaches the accept state QA. Thank you.